Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G60s and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Now we have to tap to photos category to find watermark at the last position, so let's pick it, and here we are. We get access to 3 types of watermarks. The timestamp and device we can easily turn on and off by using these 2 buttons. As you can see, we can add just one of these or 2 at the same time, and here in the preview they appear, so we can for example see closer Motorola device watermark shot on Moto G60s. And let's move to signature, because I want to show you that now it's locked. To get access to it we have to turn on device 1, so these 2 are connected. And here we can add our own watermark, for example HardReset. Now let's save it here from the right, and this signature appears here in the second line, also in the preview, but let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to camera to take a photo to see them at the real picture. And now let's move to right button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo with watermarks at the bottom. From the left we have shot on Moto G60s device watermark with HardReset, the custom one, and from the right we have timestamp. And of course, when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to camera, right corner settings, photos category, tap to watermark and manage this as we need, or just turn them off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.